Good morning students. We'll solve one of the gate question which given in 2017. Let me read the question. In a B plus tree, if the search key value is 8 bytes, so the key size they have given as 8 bytes and block size is 512 bytes and the block pointer is 2 bytes, then they are asking us to calculate the order of B plus tree and they have given 4 options. You need to find which is the right option. Okay. So now if you see that they have not given the record pointer size, okay, because in a B plus tree always you should know what is the key value, because if you see that we will have the key value, we will have the record pointer, we will have the block pointer size and the entire block size. So they does not given the record pointer size, so we should think that they are asking us to calculate the order of internal node. Why I am saying that the order of internal node is, if you know the structure of the internal node in a B plus tree is that it will have a block pointer, have a key, block pointer and a key and a block pointer. Okay, so they have given the total size is 512 bytes and they are asking us to calculate the order of the B plus tree. If it is an order of internal node, the meaning is that they are asking us find out the maximum number of children possible for this tree. Okay, what is meant by maximum number of children? Maximum number of block pointers possible. Okay, what is the maximum number of block pointers? We does not know, we need to calculate. So if you see that if you have 3 block pointers, in this case if you see that we have 3 block pointers, we have only 2 keys. So if you have n block pointers, you will have n minus 1 keys. So you will have to write n number of block pointers plus n minus 1 keys should be less than or equal to 512 bytes, because they have given that total size is 512 bytes. So what is the n value we need to calculate, and what is the block pointer size they have given is 2 bytes plus n minus 1, and what is the search key value they have given size as 8 bytes, so it is less than or equal to 512. So it is 2n plus 8n minus 8 is less than or equal to 512. So this is 10n is less than or equal to 520, because if it is minus 8, if it comes this side, it will become plus 8. So n value is less than or equal to 52 by 10. So it is 520 by 10. So n is equal to 52. Okay. So what is the right answer? Right answer is 52. Okay. I hope you have understood how I calculated the order of the B plus tree. Okay. Thank you so much.